Good day, M6572. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Grace M. Militante. I'm 44 years old. I'm married but separate. I have 4 children and I'm high school graduate. I have work experience in Saudi for 2 years. I have 5 members to serve. Age is 25 years old, 23 years old, and 17 years old, and 2 adult. And my duty is cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and cleaning, maintain the house. And also, I have work experience in Oman for 3 years and 10 months. I have 4 family to serve, age 36 and 40, my madam and sir, and 2 girls, age 3 and 4 years old. My main duty is cooking, cleaning, iron clothes, and washing clothes, and also taking care of their children and be safe every day, the
Okay.
baby.
So, since you don't have experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir, I'm willing to take
Okay.
a baby.
For sure you know how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you have children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I give food, feeding milk, and maybe check temperature and check the diaper. Maybe the diaper is full.
Okay.
Wet.
If the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I ask my madam and sir and tell them to go to the hospital. Maybe the baby is not good feeling.
Okay, not feeling well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is your motivation to work abroad?
I want to have my own house for my kids and to bright future for my kids and finish study.
Okay. How long do you want to work abroad?
As long my employer needs me, I will.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Honestly, I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn to looking YouTube. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. And also, if you have a time, you could ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare, right? Right?
Yes,
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
yes, sir. I eat because food is good.
Okay, it is okay to you to share job without a helper?
Yes,
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets or elderly?
No, I don't like cats and dogs.
You don't like cats. You have allergy
I'm afraid.
or you're afraid.
Yes, sir.
But you could learn how to take care of pets, right?
I,
Like a little dog, it is okay to you to take care?
yes, sir.
Okay. How about elderly? It is okay with you?
Yes.
How about learning their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
I'm willing to learn the Chinese.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm loyal and I love your kids as on my kids. And I follow your rules and whatever you want, I follow you.
Okay. So you will promise that you will follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes,
house.
sir.
And can you also promise that will take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir. I make the baby every day safe.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Grace. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Sir.